United Arab Emirates o UAE mga kapatid. Nagdeklara na nga ba ng gera laban sa Iran? Pag-usapan natin to mga kapatid, samahan ninyo ko.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Alright, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong balitang panonoorin mula rito sa Al Jazeera. Ayan mga kapatid, Al Jazeera ang source ng ating balitang panonoorin ngayon. UAE President says country at war after Iranian attacks. Sabi rito, the President of the United Arab Emirates says the country is now in a state of war. Following Iranian attacks, speaking during a visit to a hospital treating people wounded in the strikes. The UAE leader pledged to protect the country and its citizens, saying the government would fulfill its duty to defend the nation. So anong ibig sabihin, mga kapatid, na ang United Arab Emirates daw ngayon ay nasa state of war? So para mas malinaw mga kapatid, samahan ninyo ako, panoorin natin itong balita mula rito sa Al Jazeera. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo ulit sinasabi ko na kung ano source ng balita natin. Al Jazeera. Okay, panoorin natin to.
The President of the United Arab Emirates has said his country is in a state of war. He made the comments while visiting a hospital treating some of those injured in Iranian attacks.
So ito ba'y nangangahulugan na sila ay nagdedeklara na rin ng gera laban sa Iran, mga tol? Kasi ang umatake sa kanila ayon dito is Iran. Ayun, UAE President says country at war after Iranian attacks.
We are at war. I promise that we will perform our duty because it's our obligation and we must do this to protect them, protect our people and our country. The other thing I would like to say is a message to the enemy of the UAE.
Message to the enemy of UAE, sabing ganun. No? At kailangan daw nilang gawin to para protektahan nila ang kanilang mga mamamayan.
The other thing I would like to say is a message to the enemy of the UAE. The UAE is beautiful. It is a role model. However, don't let this deceive you. The UAE has thick skin and it is hard to chew. We will not be eaten.
Let's get the very latest from Victoria Gatenby, who's here in Doha observing events from there. So, Victoria, attacks indeed have been continuing across the Gulf.
Yes, certainly, Nick. The words of Masoud Pezeshkian today have not been echoed here in the ground in the GCC. A few hours ago in Qatar, the threat level was raised. We then heard the familiar sound of a missile being intercepted, the boom over the skies of Doha. That threat level was then reduced, but then about 10-15 minutes later it was raised again. It has been quiet over the past few hours. There have been a few military aircraft, a few Apache helicopters circling the airspace in.
So sabi, hindi pa daw nag-e-echo doon. Kumbaga hindi pa nagre-reflect yung paghingi ng tawad ni Pezeshkian. Yun yung pangalan ng Iranian president, mga kapatid. Si Masoud Pezeshkian, di ba humingi siya ng tawad dito sa mga Gulf countries na nadadamay sa digmaan. Pero sabi nung reporter, hindi pa daw nararamdaman doon, hindi pa nag-e-echo. Kasi parang 26 minutes ago, sabing ganun, is ando doon pa rin yung mga pag-intercept na mga pag-atake. Ito sabi nyo. Qatar.
The threat level was raised. We then heard the familiar sound of a missile being intercepted, the boom over the skies of Doha. That threat level was then reduced, but then about 10-15 minutes later it was raised again. It has been quiet over the past few hours. There have been a few military aircraft, a few Apache helicopters circling the airspace in Doha, patrolling that airspace. But there have been a wave really of attacks across this region. The UAE has been subjected to missile and drone attacks. The Ministry of Defense saying its defense systems have shot down numerous missiles, and its air defense systems, its fighter jets have intercepted numerous drones. The Dubai government, as you have been saying, have also said that some debris from an intercepted either missile or drone, it hasn't been specified, hit the facade of a tower building in Dubai Marina. Now, anybody who's been to Dubai will know that that is a heavily populated area, but thankfully the Dubai Communications Office are reporting no injuries. In Bahrain, they've also been subject to a number of attacks, not least at a US naval base.
Qatar, UAE, Bahrain, di ba? Sila yung subject sa numerous attacks daw.
And now the Iranians say that that base was targeted because it had been used to hit a desalination plant in Iran. Now, all these attacks coming just hours after the Iranian president pledged in his taped address, his taped statement, not to target GCC countries unless the American, the US bases in those countries were targeting Iran. Now, Qatar's foreign minister, its prime minister, has made abundantly clear that Al Udeid, the biggest US airbase in the region based here in Qatar, has not been used to attack Iran at all during this 8-day crisis. But nonetheless, missiles have come into this region once again. So there does seem to be a disconnect between what's happening here on the ground and those words that the Iranian president spoke just hours ago.
So sabi mga kapatid, no, ilang oras makalipas humingi ng tawad itong Iranian president dito sa mga kalapit nilang bansa tulad nitong Qatar, Bahrain, UAE, 'di ba? At nag-pledge daw na hindi na aatakihin itong Gulf countries na to, itong mga bansa sa kanilang kapitbahay unless may mga manggagaling na missile mula rito sa mga bansang to na aatake papunta sa Iran. Pero ang sabi ng Qatar, mga kapatid, yung Al Udeid na US military base na nandoon sa Qatar is hindi naman daw ginamit ng Amerika sa loob ng 8 araw na pakikipagdigma ng Amerika dito sa Iran. Hindi daw ginamit, sabing ganun. Ngayon, ang pinagtataka nila, bakit patuloy silang inaatake, patuloy na nagkakaroon ng mga drone attacks at patuloy sila nag-i-intercept ng mga drone at ballistic missile mula sa Iran, no? Kahit na humingi na ng tawad etong president ng Iran at nangako na hindi na sila aatakihin. Kaya nga sabing gano'n nitong UAE president, mga tol, bagamat nakikita ng marami na napakaganda nitong UAE, Dubai, di ba, napakaganda, hindi daw malambot ang balat nito. Hard to chew daw sila, hindi daw sila easy prey. Sabing gano'n. So ngayon, ang tanong, magdedeklara na nga ba o nagdeklara na nga ba ng gera at aatake na rin kaya etong UAE dito sa Iran? Kasi sabi rito, the country is now in a state of war, no? Ngayon, meron ding report, mga tol, mula naman dito sa WION. Ito sa India to, ha. Sabi rito, UAE strikes Iran for the first time. Sa unang pagkakataon, mga kapatid, ay tumira na daw ang UAE o United Arab Emirates sa Iran. Sabi rito, reports, UAE denies Emirati attack, pero yan ay dinedenay ng UAE. And reports suggest that the Middle East war has entered a dangerous new phase after the United Arab Emirates reportedly launched its first ever strike inside Iran, targeting an Iranian desalination facilities. The attack marks the first direct Emirati military action against Iran, signaling a major escalation in the expanding conflict involving Iran, Israel, and the United States. According to reports, the strike followed waves of Iranian missile and drone attacks targeting the UAE, which have already caused casualties and damage in the Gulf state. Israeli assessment suggests the Emirati strike may have been intended as a warning signal to Tehran, but analysts warn it could open a new Gulf front in the war if tensions continue to escalate. Targeting a desalination facility, critical infrastructure that provides drinking water, also highlights how the conflict is increasingly hitting strategic civilian-linked infrastructure across the region. UAE has, however, denied this claim. So, dinay yan, hindi yan na pinatotohanan ng UAE. Kumbaga sinasabi nila hindi totoo. Pero sige, panoorin natin itong balita mula rito sa WION. Sabi, UAE launches first ever strike inside Iran, opening dangerous new Gulf front. Gulf War threshold crossed as UAE hits Iranian desalination facility. Iran conflict widens dramatically as UAE carries out first retaliatory strike. No, sabing ganon. Ayon sa report Pero yan ay hindi pinatototohanan ng UAE. Emirati strike on Iran signals regional war could rapidly expand. Pero yan ay itinatanggi ng United Arab Emirates. Hindi daw sila umatake. UAE denies involvement in reported strike on Iran desalination facility. So malinaw mga kapatid. Kaya ang tanong, saan ang galing itong report na to, di ba? Saan ang galing yung mga haka-haka na umatake na ang UAE? Pero malinaw, ayon naman dito sa Al Jazeera, ang sabi ng President ng United Arab Emirates, the country is now in a state of war. Ano sa tingin ninyo mga kapatid, no? Nagdeklara na nga ba ng gera ang UAE laban dito sa Iran? Comment na lamang kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobal D. Peace out.